Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Alright, I've finally got to Willowbank after the first test and tune I was booked in for was cancelled due to rain. But fortunately for me and Dave, southeast Queensland weather turned beautifully and we were able to get there for our second run. Anyway, look, I was surprised at just how quick the bike went from just changing from the Michelin Scorcher, which is the factory tyre on the Lowrider S, to an AVON Chrome Cobra. Man, it just hooked up, it left the line hard, and I was really, it just went way better than I expected. That's coming up, and Dave, well done, mate. You cracked into the 10s there. It's a high 10, as you said, but mate, 10.9 something's better than 11, so well done, mate. And yeah, we're just really stoked. You know, we've got the all bike drags coming up in a few weeks' time, so that's going to be really cool. Mark will be down on the 143 Road King. So stick around and check out the video, guys. We've got some good passes coming up, and yeah, we'll catch us at the end and let you know what happened. Alright, so a little bit about the bike. If you guys saw the video where I built this one, you'll know what it is, but for those who haven't, the link's down in the description. But basically this one's just the 2020 Lowrider S, and it's got the 128 cubic inch Alpha Peformance Engine in there. The camshaft is a Cyclerama 530. There's been a few updates since then. I believe the latest one is the Cyclerama 540-2. It made 158 horsepower and 154 foot-pounds. And yeah, 10.61 was the best I got at Benaraby. So I'm hoping for a bit quicker times today. We've got a better tyre on there now, but we've gone to the AVON Chrome Cobra, so I'm hoping this thing's going to really hook up and get out today. Let's get into it.
.5, 125 miles. At 126 miles.
How good is that? I mean, 10.416 at 127 miles an hour. I mean, that is that's crazy fast just from going, like, yeah, granted I've spent more time on the bike now and I've a bit more clutch control on it, but that tire is just allowing me to leave the line a lot harder. My 60 foot's gone from, you know, the mid 1.6s down to the mid 1.5s. Like, I mean, it's just unbelievable how much difference that rear tire makes. I'm just super stoked. I mean, this is still a factory bike as far, like obviously it's got the engine work, but it's in standard street trim. That's not a racing tire, it's a street tire. It's just a better tire than the Michelin, and it just hooks up. I mean, you can ride this thing around, you can go get coffee on it, you can go for big rides on it, whatever you want to do. I mean, this thing is, and it just runs 10.4s, like. But look, if you guys haven't checked out Alpha Peformance Engines on Facebook and Instagram, do that. I'll put their links down the bottom. You'll be able to find there. Head over there, check their stuff out. Look, I'm really happy. We've got all bike drags coming up the 11th of October. So make sure you subscribe, turn the bell on, all that sort of stuff. You know what to do. And yeah, make sure, head over and check out Alpha Peformance Engines, Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, Tommy Twin Cam Miller. Put all those links down the bottom. And thanks very much for checking it out, guys. We'll see you in the next one.